Hello, I'm Jacqueline Jezanowski. We are thrilled to welcome you to Lakeland Resort's Wedding Open House on Sunday, January 19th.
I'm Danielle Latanzio, and this is your chance to tour all of our breathtaking wedding venues. Whether you've dreamed of an intimate lakeside ceremony or a grand ballroom celebration, we have the perfect space to bring your vision to life.
And I'm Abby Bloom. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way, from big ideas to the tiniest details. Our team of wedding experts can help you create a celebration as unique as your love story.
While you are here, don't forget to stop by our award-winning Calidor Spa. From flawless bridal makeup to elegant updos, our expert stylists are here to make you feel radiant from head to toe on your big day.
And every couple who joins us for our wedding open house will receive a $500 voucher towards their 2025 or 2026 wedding booking.
We can't wait to meet you.
Let's start planning your perfect day.
Visit our website for more details. We'll see you on January 19th.